Hello, today we are going to go over how to use the router maintenance tool in the shop database. So let's go ahead and open up this shop database. If you don't have it saved to your desktop, save it now and ask either Chris Morrison or Ross Meeks on getting that link. So you click on that and you're going to go to router maintenance and it'll close that screen and open up a new screen for you. Make sure before you start this, you have SAP open. In order to use all of the capabilities, you need to have an SAP screen open. So I have one right down here. And I'm just going to split this screen here real quick to make things a little easier. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this. In the router maintenance, what happens is the supervisors, if they see a part that needs to be revised in the routing on where it goes to, then they put a request in here, and it's our responsibility to change these. So first thing you want to do up on this router maintenance is select the user. So I am Sarah, so I'm going to go to Sarah. And then you want to click on the part number you want to do. And sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not. Trevor typically is pretty good on putting what he wants changed. So he wants op10 to be the same op20 and then op30. This is probably going to be just adding which manual mill it goes to. So if you say, okay, let's take a look at the router, you can press update router right here. And now remember, you have to have an SAP screen open in order to do this. So you press that, go ahead, press OK. And it'll clear out everything for what you want. And so all he wants right here is for the name to be changed. So we'll go ahead and change it manual mill MMA like he has there. You don't want to change anything else on this. And then you go ahead and press save. And that routing is saved. Now, if we go back to that router maintenance tool, we want to make sure that the supervisors know that we address the problem. So again, you make sure you have your user selected. You can press change complete. If you have any notes, like if the routing should not have gone to that area or anything like that, say, hey, this isn't supposed to go to the mill. This is supposed to go to the lathe. Press change complete and update it, and they can look at those photos. Now, if it is, and we can refresh it here, and that one will go away. If the times need to be changed on any of these routers, that requires an EC. So make sure you don't change the times. And the other thing that this tool does is it goes straight to MD04 and pulls up a drawing. So if they're wanting to change work centers, you always want to make sure that you look at the drawing first. So I'll use this one just as an example for that. You can go MD04. Press OK. It'll pull you all the way up to this screen. All you have to do is click on that and open, and there you have the drawing. You use the routing tool that Chris and Ross made.